I have to put some background music on and talk over the microphone because the AC unit, the fan was too loud and you couldn't hear what I was talking when I was filming this 1991 Honda Civic CRX 1.6 liter that my friends is putting on an eBay turbo on. And right now he's manufacturing downpipe and a few other pipes that he wants to make this kit fit better, because as you know, when you buy something from eBay, it just doesn't fit right, and so he's trying to make it fit right on a budget. Engine is bone stock, 1.6 liter single cam. I don't know too much about it. He knows more about it, but I didn't ask him. But people who know these CRXs, they probably know just by looking at this video what's it all about. Right here you can see the downpipe, custom downpipe, and the way it goes down. See how the radiator had to be moved to the right side in order for the turbo kit to fit in there. See that there's a turbocharger. The intake, the filter still needs to be attached to it. Obviously eBay intercooler. These cars are fun to drive. They're lightweight, so you don't need a lot of power to make them beat many other cars on the road. Right here you can see mandrel bend pipes that you cut and you join them together, weld them together to make your custom piping. My friend is doing that right now, but I'm gonna ask him if he can go for a test drive so you guys can see how this CRX runs.
Watch that computer, I have to mount that bitch.
Okay, I better put a seatbelt on. Yeah! Yay! Look at all the homeless people, man. Ridiculous. Look, they're making like a whole house here.
That's crazy. Still on an 8-pound spring. I tuned it for 10 pounds on a manual booster.
It's probably not good for you to be like getting on it now when it's so hot.
Yeah.
Because the intercooler is not even working properly.
Yeah. This is gonna just a little cruise.
Yeah. You don't want to blow it up. You didn't even finish it. You're gonna blow it up. Whoa, shit, man.
Should get some work.
Yeah, why didn't you like go with the VTEC?
VTEC head?
Yeah, like
I just wanted to make decent power on a
single reliable power.
Yeah. You know what I mean, on a stock SI motor.
Yeah. How much did the guy charge you tuning?
$350.
It's not bad. I mean, if you go online and try to get the right tune for your car, it's going to cost about the same. So.
Yeah. For a little single cam and a little eBay turbo, it moves. I just, you know, it's just this turbo, it takes it a while to spool up.
Well, it's a big one. You need a smaller turbo, maybe with ball bearing.
Yeah.
Invest in a good quality turbo.
Yeah.
This pulls up faster and everything.
Yeah. I'm gonna build another single cam, that ZC. That thing is gonna make some serious power. You know, I'm just selling this car.
There's a cult following on these.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be a problem.
Bro, I posted it on some CRX page. I got like over 200 hits in like 20 minutes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean these homeless people, man, it's getting worse. It's never been like this.
It's crazy.
Like 2 years ago, there was nothing there. Yeah, it's fun, and this car is fun. That is all, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe. See you next time.